Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a flip through of my finished journal for Cara Brandon's November Christmas Make Something Challenge. That was actually a challenge that her helper, Kelly Dowling, who is Mudhut2880 on YouTube, helped her come up with. And for this challenge, we were to make something using all of the following items. The word Christmas, holiday-themed paper, ribbon, image from Cara Brandon Creations Freebie Challenge Digital, a sticker, a tree, music, a present, and Santa. And if you spell all that out, the beginning of each of those spells out Christmas. So, here's what I've made. This is a little 4x6 file folder journal like you've seen me make several times. And I showed you in my last video some of the things I was planning to use. So, as you can see, I've used music paper as my background paper for the front and back, and you will see that I've also used that on the inside. I do have a picture of Santa sewn on to the outside, and this image is from Dear Julie Julie, and then I just put this little bit of holly on here just because I wanted to add a little more bling. And then there were some, I don't know if these were snowflakes on the image or if they were imperfections in the image, but I turned them into snowflakes and used a little bit of Wink of Stella just to give them a little bit of sparkle. And then I've got this actually was a sticker. This is Santa. We've got music paper, so I haven't, and ribbon for the closure. So I haven't even opened it yet and already used several things. So open it up, and on my inside flap, I used some holiday-themed paper, and I just cut a little slot in that and made this little envelope that it's actually not an actual envelope. It unfolds and just gives you a little bit of writing paper, and then I just stamped a little snowflake on it. But I just wanted to have a little letter or something that looked kind of like a letter sticking out of the letters to Santa box. So that just goes right in there. This is a pocket. I haven't put anything in it, but there is a pocket there. Then you flip over. Oh, and I've got this little dangle hanging off the file folder tab. Just a couple of beads and a charm on a bulb pin. Then flip over and you've got this little corner pocket with one of Cara Brandon's ornaments from her Freebie Digital, and I just painted it and then did some heat embossing on it. I've got a sticker here that says Deck the Halls with just a very simple tag tucked in here. May your days be merry and bright. And then over here on this panel, I used coffee-dyed tracing paper to make this little bag. I was going to use a glassine bag, but my glassine bags were really too big for this small a journal. So, just made a little cluster here with a present and attached that to the front of it. And here we have a tuck with a journaling card. And back here another tuck with a larger journal card. Uh-oh. I used the same sticker there. Oopsie. So that tucks right back there. And then in here, we've got a little matchbook notepad, just with a cutout from the paper pad and a little bit of ribbon. And inside, just some coffee dyed lined paper for quick little notes. My fingers are not working well today. There we go. Come on. And then that just slides right into the opening of the sort of faux glassine bag that I made. Then right here we've got an actual journal and Merry Christmas. So I've got the word Christmas. And I just used some of my scrapbook paper and some fabric and a little bit of lace. You'll see everything in here. The paper pad I was using, the colors are red, green, white, and black. So I tried to stick with that throughout. And this is a very simple journal. It is almost entirely unembellished. I've just added a few stickers in a couple of places, a little bit of washi tape, and left it primarily blank for the user to fill in however they want. I did put a glassine bag in here. So lots of writing paper and just decorated in some spots. Here I put in a coloring book page in the center of the signature with a couple of beaded charms on there. And then the other side of the signature. It is a single signature journal. And I can't remember how I had counted the pages, but right now I can't tell you how many it was. Here's the other side of the bag. Now, I did not cut the bag. I did put washi tape here, but the bag could either be cut here or here on this edge if the user chooses to do so. Another little sticker that just says Holiday Fun. So very light embellishing using some stickers and stuff. Just wanted to leave it pretty blank for the user to do with as they please. Book page, and then the end of that journal. Then we come over to this panel, and I've got this large pocket. Here's my tree with a little cluster, 'Tis the Season, with this large pocket on it, with the journaling, or pocket on it with a journal card inside. Celebrate the season, it says. And that just slides right in there. And then flip it open, and here we've got a double envelope with Jingle All the Way here. And a tag here. And a tag or journal card here. I love these fibers. And, oops. Then in the back, I left it open and I added another journal card that that's a piece of the leftover file folder, and I just simply embossed on it, attached another of Cara's ornaments, and just a little bit of lace to the top of that. And that slides behind both of the envelopes. Then over here, we've got a little side pocket with another ornament with a bow, and inside just a little pad of more lined writing paper. Then you close it up. The journal comes over here. Close this side up. Tree music. Okay, yeah. And then it closes up. Now, it did end up being a little chunky chunkier than I was anticipating, but that's okay. I'm happy with the way that came out. And so that is what I made for Cara's challenge. And I believe I've used all the required elements. And this is a pretty easy challenge, and you can either make one item or you can make several different items using, say, just the word Christmas for one thing that you make. So say you use the word Christmas on a single embellishment, you could just make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters in Christmas. So you could make 9 different little embellishments using one, say, a sticker on an embellishment, and that would work. So, until next time, everyone, I wish you all a wonderfully happy and crafty day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.